Well, it's not yet.
It's not that bad, but yeah.
Not yet.
Jeez.
No.
This is like nothing compared to like
What it's going
in
to
a few hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's better through the front door. Front.
Okay.
It's like the best view. Hey guys. Hey Max. Hey Ruby. It's hard to see it right here. The hell's a weird Verizon commercial? Oh, it's a 4G commercial. Oh, I have 4G.
Lightning fast.
Oh, I get it. What?
I said I'll be right in.
Okay.
Don't close this door real tight.
Okay.
Because I'm bringing in a bunch of stuff. Oh, God, yeah.
What?
I mean,
What?
a half hour ago, the dogs and I went out here. They went running all the way across everything. You could see their little footprints.
Yeah.
Now look at it.
Oh, get that away. I get some slippers on. Hey. Yay. This is so much snow. Jeez.
Do you think you could, if you put your slippers on, if you want to film it, you'd have to open this and do it through like that window.
Okay.
Yeah, but honey, you need slippers. It's freezing cold. Wait.
Ah!
I told you, go get your slippers. Or slip your
That's better.
boots on right there.
Use my slippers.
Okay.
Ruby. Hey, Max. Just woke up like 5 minutes ago. I was just going up to take a little rest. I just woke up now. Not doing that again. I'm gonna do what I did last night. Stay up till like 3 or 4 in the morning.
You ready to do it fast?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Ah. Oh God. It's like the day after tomorrow.
Is that better? Okay, go ahead. Oh my God, the door is trying to do it again.
What?
Can you push your door open?
What?
Are you getting it?
Yeah. Ah. Ah.
Okay, the wind blew this.
What?
The wind took that whole screen out.
Guys, move it.
Yeah, that's all right.
Ah, that's better. Whoa, this happened. Oh, crap. Oh yeah, I forgot what that was those for.
Need to keep some of the snow out.
Oh, it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God.
Oh, below it, yeah.
Let us in. You little snow. Ah.
Okay, let me push this open again real quick. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, come here, real quick.
Whoa, icicles.
Get like right here. Look, there you go.
Oh,
And then over there.
jeez.
Look at the drift right there. Oh, okay,
Ah,
that's it.
close,
That's it. The blizzard is coming.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, close it. Close it.
Band down the doors. Where's the thing for the ground?
I just put it.
Oh, that goes even harder. What?
Look at it. Oh my heavens!
How do you walk
Can you
out
get
there?
it?
Yeah. Oh, swirling again.
Oh, here, wait.
Oh, there we go. Jeez. Hey, icicles. I knocked those.
Oh
they're-
yeah, look at that.
they're
You're doing a video, right?
Yeah. They're-
And you knocked them off.
I knocked them off like 6 hours ago. There's one on the light. There's an icicle on the light.
Yeah, I know, I see. Oh my goodness, look at it.
it's a, It's like, you know, whatever. It's like an avalanche hit us. I can't see out of this one. Hold on. Looking out this one.
Can you get it?
Barely. It's like orange, reddish sky. This has been going on since when? Christmas Day night.
Yeah, it started one.
It was like an inch, right? Yeah, an inch of snow and like overnight. No, look at it.
I wonder if we can do that.
Oh jeez. Whoa. I'm gonna get some groceries. Well, good luck.
You ready?
Yeah. There's a light. Oh, there it is. That's a better view.
Can you get it?
Ah! It's gone through the door.
It's blowing right through the door.
Jeez. How the hell do you get out of here? Good thing is there's no emergency.
Do it real slow so you can really see it coming down.
Ah!
Get it, chicken.
Ah! Ruby, I can't even see anything in here. Oh, that's better.
Look at that snowdrift.
Oh God, where?
Up against the house, over there. Here,
Let's brave it. Ah!
can you get it?
Yeah.
There you go. Brave it, brave it. Okay.
Oh, something just. I have my camera up, so I don't know. Maybe I'll see it.
What?
I don't know. Some snow dropped or something.
Okay.
Hey, Ruby. This thing been wet?
Goodness.
No, not really.
Okay.
Hey, look, remember this? Look, come here for a second. Oh yeah, look, remember this? Looks familiar? Looks familiar? Look. What?
Yeah, how about that?
Let's see.
Neat.
Wait, I'm trying to find one. Oh, yeah. I like this one better.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It looks way different than this right now.
Yeah.
We can't even. We can barely see these houses.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay, let me get your soup. Off here.
Yeah.
Down the steps, because look at the way it. At
Yeah.
the bottom of the steps.
I see it's like
See how it goes down?
hollowed out. Yeah.
Yeah. And then it goes up a little
Really?
bit. Before it goes to bare concrete.
Yeah.
And then that spot, like right along there, that's where Max could go out.
Ruby.
That's where he could go.
Huh.
If we can get like a little path right over to that hollowed out thing along the side right there,
Yeah.
that's where he could go.
Well, look how high the snow is on that side.
Mm-hmm. You could probably, if you had your slippers on, you could probably get it better through that outside instead of this and that.
Yeah.